We're going.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we are going to be doing this. We are going to be seeing what's in a glue stick.
It's glow stick.
Glow stick.
It's a short.
Oh no, I'm not going to do it. Okay, ready? Are you going to cut that glue stick? Yeah.
Glow
ready?
stick. It's glow stick, bird.
I said glue stick. It's hard. Glow stick. No, it's cutting.
No, dude. Actually, I know what's inside a glow stick. I've done it before.
Wait a minute, hold it.
Here's my brother testing me and subscribers with the low game pollers, all the riders. If we're doing math, he's older by 2. He's got most subs. I hope so, dude. That's a punishment worse than the penalty, but you still
open it all the way. Put it in and turn facing the camera. Yo. This thing's hard. Hey, we both said
Yo. Oh yeah, by the way, my music video I'm gonna make is gonna be out on iTunes soon, so don't I made the album already.
Okay.
Remember in my last video, if you watch my channel, Westinhoutekamer, I said I'm gonna be doing a music video roasting Jake Paul. We're still going. Roasting Jake Paul. Well, that's not gonna happen. Actually, it'll be actually, you know what? I'll make another album called It Don't Matter.
It's actually water.
Oh, it's glowing water, dude.
Yo, dude. Guys, look, it's glowing
water. That's water.
Dude,
hold up, I'm gonna zoom in.
It's really water.
Yeah, as you can see, that water drip.
Okay, so guys, that's a very short video, and I'm sorry to have to end it right now because we actually need this. Can you use glue stick?
Glow stick.
Glow stick. So
it's hard to say.
Stop.
Bye.
You're copying dancing moves intro.
Yeah. Bye.